Welcome to your dream home in Torrox Costa, just 1.5 kilometers from the beach and a short drive from Málaga and the International Airport. Relax in your private pool and jacuzzi nestled under a beautiful pergola, perfect for sunny days and warm evenings. Cook, dine, and unwind in your outdoor summer kitchen, where every meal comes with breathtaking views and the gentle breeze of the Costa del Sol. The spacious living room invites you to unwind with a cozy fireplace and large windows flooding the space with natural light. Three generously sized bedrooms offer plenty of space for relaxation, and the master suite includes a private dressing room and ensuite bathroom for added luxury and comfort. Each bedroom reflects a perfect blend of Spanish charm and contemporary design. The fully equipped kitchen combines sleek design with functionality, offering quality appliances and plenty of space for everyday living or entertaining. Upstairs, a versatile attic space, currently a gym, perfect for a home office, art studio, or guest bedroom. Additional features include a double garage, solar hot water, air conditioning, and an alarm system for your peace of mind. Whether you're looking for a family home, a holiday retreat, or a smart investment, this villa offers the perfect Mediterranean lifestyle. Don't miss out on making it yours.
MarYMontañaProperties se Costa del Sol.